Hello, hello. Yeah. We're back finally. Been been a few days. We got a trade going on here. Two trades actually. See how this goes. This is on EURUSD. Here I will show you the 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame, 1 hour time frame. I'm looking for the sweep of this high and then hopefully come back to this. This is the imbalance area resistance. Like a really small in 1 minute. Maybe go here, but I'm not sure. We're just targeting one level. So we'll see how that goes. Let's just move this a little bit closer. Okay. What is this low here? 389. 389. Okay. 389. By the way, this is another stop loss right here. Stop loss on this trade. Just in case it does go down, then this is not a. They're not taking the highs. I mean, they're literally right by the highs. I mean, we had we have we didn't go here. We had a chance here. I would assume this is a support because this is a support area. Come here and then go higher, right? So we're basically targeting that level. We'll see what happens. Just using a stop loss of this, so at least this is a 1 hour trade. Minus if something minus 1 hour, this is gonna be like a half. So just to equal out a little bit. We'll see. Hopefully we go up. How is the 15 minutes looking? No, 15 minutes looks nice. I'm gonna tell you that. 15 minutes looks good. This we want to see this close like this, like with a wick. The 1 hour, yeah, 1 hour looking fine too. 1 hour just done, and 4 hours. We want a 4 hour close over this area. We got 46 minutes, so let's see. Let's see how this goes. It's only, yeah, it's not even that bad. It's only 11 pips away. 12. we got a new 15-minute candle. We want this one to push up. I would prefer if this candle could even come all the way here. That would basically confirm that. I think here's the thing. We're probably 100% going up here, but the question is was this the like the low before we go and break this, or do they want to like mess around and before we break? Because I feel like this might be the low. I mean, look, this was they didn't go here. They kind of fake out here, going higher. So we support this area is always a support right now. And the question is this going to be the break above? And then whatever they do there, it doesn't really. I mean, it matters because we're in a trade, but also at the same time, I would prefer them to go here, move the stop loss, break even, I guess, just for the sake of, in case they decide to go down right away after they break this. But once again, I feel like if they break this, next zone is literally right here. So unless they just like break it just to go down, then yeah, we'll go down. But if they break it with confidence, then the next zone of resistance was here. But this is a really small resistance because this is on a 1 minute chart. We also have like a high, like what is that here? Let's see. Oh yeah, okay. We have this high. I I mean they could go there. I'm not saying they have to go there. I'm just targeting this area. If they go there, then that's good for them. But we're just targeting like little zones. This is 1 minute trading. We're not really targeting like those 1 hour zones. I mean, we could be a great idea, but I just want to see them break this first. If they can't break this, then I mean they're gonna have to break this. But the question is, are they gonna break it? They probably will, but we're gonna have to see some sort of push up and then continue up instead of how you always see when they go for liquidity or like the highs, they just go and then scoop down right away. We don't want to see that because that would just basically confirm, okay, they just took the highs, nuke it, right? Let's see. They're almost there. What session are we in? New York lunchtime. Gotcha. I hope New York lunchtime actually goes there, or at least like close to there, and then maybe the PM session takes it out. How is this 15 minutes looking? We have 11 minutes, so we got time. Not the idea here, but hopefully these stop losses are not in the way, and hopefully we just like come back up. Because I just want this scoop. Let's see. Let's see. This is a 1 minute candle, guys. So it moves. 15 minutes is we want a strong 15-minute candle close. We don't want a weak one because a weak one is gonna like kind of not be good for us. We just need a nice big push. I want to see breakout. By the way, this is a 2.2. This is a 2.78 R trade. If they didn't do go there, nothing crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna charge my phone here. Here, I'll be back. I mean, I'm gonna. The stream is gonna be on. I'll just come back because price is slow. We got 7 minutes for this candle close. Once again, we want to see a really good candle close, not something that doesn't, because this candle is good, but we also want to see the next candle also be a strong bullish candle, or else, the whole structure goes down. I mean, we're literally at the highs, like, I mean, just push the price, right? Here, I'll be back 1 second. We're back. 5 more minutes for the 15 minutes close. I would love to see a close above this, but you know what? We'll take anything. Woke up late as hell today. Usually I wake up like 7, 8. I woke up at 10, past 10 somehow. Basically missed the New York Open. Oh, a second. Back. Come on, we just want to see this break. And then whatever happens after the break, well, this is if whenever it breaks, then we're gonna have to watch like whatever it does here. I just don't want to see, this shit like it goes down if it does break. Oh, by the way, if you guys want to see what like how did my chart, right? Like the background color, these boxes, like the candle colors, right? Let me know. I could show you. And this thing, I could give you the colors. That's not a problem. It looks clean. I mean, compared to like the typical white one or typical black one you get, right? I think this is way cleaner, especially when you don't see any red and any green. Well, this is kind of green, but it's like bluish, right? It's a little bit different, but I feel like it makes a huge difference when you don't see those two colors, red and green, because those two colors are like a psychological mind colors. Like every time you see red, you're stressed and stuff like that. Every time you see green, you're happy, and it's like then somehow it turned red, and then the happiness is gone. You don't want that. Here, 28, 1 minute left. I mean, I think I'm just gonna let this play out. I don't really see me closing it if it could go against me. And that's why we have stop losses, right? I just think it's gonna go higher. That's the thing. I mean, imagine this trade was right here, and I'm thinking it's gonna go higher, and this is what happens. That would suck. But usually when they do this, they gotta move higher. I mean, plus this won't even consider a high because so close. Highs are like sweeps. They sweep for liquidity. That's literally highs. Like that's how they do highs. There was no sweep at all here. So okay, the 15-minute close is it's interesting. It's like half. Nobody knows where we're going. Let's hope this next 15 minute is doing something great. We just need some confident push. Shouldn't I hope it doesn't take long. I mean, I hope by 12 o'clock, so basically the new 4 hour. I hope we basically get to this low. We're halfway at least, the 4 hour close. It would be nice. I mean, how long are we in this trade? So basically, 16:30. We're in this trade for like 50, for like 40 minutes. I mean, wait, how the fuck is this 40 minutes? Wait, is it really 40 of those? Yeah, five. Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, 40 minutes. Wow. Feels like time flew. Actually, never mind. I was in this trade when I was doing something, so 15-minute time frame, 1 hour. Once again, we need a push. We don't want to close like on these wicks, really. I mean, we could, but like just to be 100% bullish, this it would be nice if this close above that. Watching charts sometimes. It's nice when it goes quick towards the sides. You need also tomorrow we got news. I mean, today, here's the thing. Today, in about 1.5 hours, we got the 30-year bond auction. Probably not gonna do anything. That's what the 10-year did. Nothing. Tomorrow, in the morning before open, I think, or during open, we got core PPI data. So that's gonna move the market, just like the CPI data. So yeah, tomorrow morning. Well, here's the thing. Here, I think there's an opportunity. Then here's the thing. The market's gonna do something here. Then tomorrow, when the news comes out, it's gonna move the market aggressively one way or the other, right? After the market is done moving, then there also depends on the circumstance. But after the market is done moving, it's probably gonna reverse back to recover everything there, right? Because when they move fast, they're gonna have to come back to recover everything, right? They're gonna come back and recover everything, and that's the opportunity to go. So, for example, you wake up, the data comes out, if the market nukes down, right? And then shows like some support down there wherever area it goes to. You just take a long from there, and hopefully the market goes up, recovers some of it or all of it, and that's it. Close the long or continue. It depends. Here's the thing: depends on what areas they move, because we have support and resistance, right? If we move to a support or resistance and then we like stabilize there, then that kind of means we might bounce. If we move to nowhere, then we might continue higher or lower. So it depends on where we move. I would hope this. I would hope the continue the New York session continue the price up. Also, Asian session takes the price up and London session takes the price up, and then morning comes it dumps. That would be interesting if that were happen like that. So basically, New York take the price up, Asian stabilize, London does some, you know, spikes. It would be crazy if they did all this like this, you know. I mean, it's not impossible. So, but that means New York session has to take price somewhere here. So then Asian could, like, you know, go up, and then London spikes, and then the news comes out here and then just nukes. Or even when the price comes here, the news comes out and then just nukes. So, but that's the case scenario for like nuking the price. It could go the opposite way too, you know. This could be like a whole support area and then it just goes up, shoot up. Maybe that's why they don't want to break this right away. I don't know. I mean, we're not struggling, but we're also not fucking not struggling. Okay, so the market is doing this, huh? Not what we really want to see. Huh. I mean, we still have that 1 hour. I don't really like the 15-minute, really, to be honest. Unless we have some turnaround. I mean, just to be more a little bit more confident in some way. This is the area here that there could be some support. We have this imbalance, and now the question is, if it's respected, it won't go lower. It will just, you know, count as support, but it has to be respected. Not an ideal candle, honestly. I mean, it'll suck if this goes down and then just goes up, you know? Not what we really want. But also, I don't really see this being like a little top. I mean, we also have this shit, but like a resistant area. Hopefully, this is just resistant areas. You know how we came back, couldn't break, and then bounce, and then go higher. You know. Hopefully, that's what I think it is. We'll see, because it is like resistant. I mean, the price couldn't break out. You see, because of this. So now let's hope this support area holds temporary support. And then if we break out of resistance and not, come back and then just not break out and have to break out to continue higher. There's a lot of support and resistance area, and the more you draw, the more complicated shit gets, You got to look at the bright side because, yeah, it's just too complicated. This one and this one, you can draw them. They do mean something, but they're so short term. It's just complicated. The biggest one I'm looking is this one, this darker pink, right? Not the lighter pink. The lighter pink is like a big imbalance. This darker pink. Like from here to here, this is a support area. That's the whole reason I took this trade, because bounce from here. So these two are so temporary, bro. Like either they break or don't break. They don't really mean anything hard, but they also like do stuff too. Like they respect levels. I mean, why didn't they break out here? We'll see. We'll see. We got a few minutes. This candle closer. This would be nice too. They're making it harder than it is. We got a new 15. How is this close? Once again, halfway. Yeah, just leave it like this, so let it play out. See what happens. Okay, we're back. Okay, we broke this. Oh wow, great candle. Oh, the 4 hours is about to close. Oh, if we close above this, this would be nice. I'll move this stop loss right break even. Just for the sake of this trade, you know, being break even trade. I mean, the candle looks nice. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Now let's hope it goes all the way up there. We could go down here too, because this is a support now. It could turn into a support, because you know how this was a resistance. If we do go down, we got to watch this level if it's got to hold, because if it doesn't hold, then we're just gonna go lower. But this would be like a support area, and once again temporary because it's so small. The new hour and 4 hour is gonna start. They're probably gonna push a little bit lower, you know. I'll be back. Holy shit! What the hell happened? Mhm. My god, hell yeah. Wait, why didn't I get a notification here? Yes, sir. Great trade, boys. Let's fucking do it. Gotta be happy, bro. Gotta be happy. 1.4, 1.4, 1.4. Okay. Very nice, very good trade. I think we deserve it. And look, is this the resistance area we're talking about, or you know what? There's here. If they go higher, I mean, it is what it is, right? I mean, we were only targeting this level. I feel like if they want to go higher, they will have to come back and support this thing that they just broke, right? Maybe do some shit like that and then go up. If I see something, I might consider taking another one. But holy shit, that's a nice push. That's really nice. But also, guys, like it could go higher, but also, you know, they just broke this. They could come back down here. What a trade, baby. What a trade. This is why you take profit. Imagine if I didn't have take profit, but I was still targeting this. I would miss this. I would be like, oh my God, we're going up. Don't take profit. Damn, what a fucking beauty right here. Let's go. Hell yeah. I think we deserve it. This week so far was awesome. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, bro. So far, it was a great week and doing great. Last week was a shit show. Last week, we basically lost every fucking trade. We won free trades, I remember, and we lost like 10 or something. Maybe a little bit more, maybe less, I'm not sure. But we won free trade, and the good thing is risk management kind of saved us, right? Plus the free trade we won kind of covers like 5 losses, right? It wasn't a crazy free trade; it was just regular trade. So those free trade basically we covered 5 of the losses we did, but then we lost like 5 more. So yeah, risk management is key. I mean, if I didn't do risk management, I would have literally got wiped out last week. So you see, not every week we have a great week. Last week was a shit show, but risk management saved us. This week, we're back, baby. We're back. We're literally back. We're already positive. We were positive day one at 2.5k, bro. We're back. We basically on Monday we basically made all the money we lost last week. Crazy. So on Tuesday and Wednesday, all profit. Hell yeah, baby. Let's go. Okay, I'm end the stream right here. Just because there's nothing else to take right now. We were targeting this area. Now I want to see what price does here. Does it come down here? Support? Does it like what does it do? On the 1 minute chart, I don't really see anything. I mean, besides these little support areas. But on the 15 minute, let's see what are we talking here. Once again, I don't really see. I mean, once again, we would want to see something like. Plus, we have this imbalance area on 15. We would want to see something like price come down here and then support here so we could go up. It would just be like this line, everything. So this would be a great support area to take a long. But you guys also have to watch out so they don't break it and then turn it into resistance. You know what I mean? Because it works both ways. So when price come here and you see price doing and like a nice wick forms somewhere here, and then candle close above, that's when you long, right? So watch that, guys. Watch that. Here, let me just mark this area for you guys. This area would be here. I'll just mark it this way just to make it a little bit more. I feel like I'm just messing at this point, but here, because I have so many boxes already, like okay. So this is the area. You guys gotta watch out right here. This on the 1 minute chart. This is the area you gotta watch. So, so this area either price come here and show like support, wicks, a lot of wicks and stuff, and then break up, do something like that, and then you take a long, or price break down and just do something and then break below this and shows resistant, right? That's when you short. So here, I'm just gonna keep these 2 marks. But yeah, if you guys took this trade, I mean, I started streaming when price was literally right here. So we were positive on this one, but we were like negative on this trade, and I started streaming. So if you guys took this trade, hey, congratulations. If you didn't, it's all good. There's always the next one, and the next one might be this one right here. If price does continue up, this might be the next area to take a long. So market, the top one is 488, the bottom one is 457. The imbalance. It's on a 15-minute chart. So when you go on a 15-minute chart, there's this imbalance they left. Plus, look at this. We have this resistance that this was a resistance that turned into support, right? There. So basically, we have two layers: this imbalance and then this support. Price come here and hit up. This would be a great area to long. But it seems like price is going up. Honestly, we'll see. We'll see. They could actually go all the way to this area, no question. But you got to understand they're gonna have to like go back down to go up. So even if they go higher, they will have to come either here to support or come back down here. You know. So yeah, I might. I'm not saying I'm not gonna take a trade, but I'm also not saying I will take a trade today. I'll take a trade if price does literally come in this area and show me support without really showing some crazy wicks here. You know. If we have like crazy wicks, then this might be like a top or something. So yeah, if price does come here and show support, I'm not sure if I'm gonna take a trade because I'm still like I want to see this. This is I feel like this is more demand area than this. Even though we broke out of this area, but still, you know. But yeah, I'm a dip, guys. Thank you for watching. Whoever watched the stream, don't forget to follow me. It would be awesome. And have a great day, guys. And it's 12 o'clock. Perfect. Peace out.